Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles as well as kind of weird stuff from time to time. Today I've got one that hails from China. This is, God, what brand is this? Bashu family. Yeah. Here, look at that. I mean it. It's called Bashu family. And this is their Biang noodle. Hey. Alright. Let's make it so you gotta boil this for 5 minutes. Or I think. I don't see really any instructions except for it has a 5 on it that it's denoting the cook time. It's only 5 minutes of cooking. So, but I will let you see the wonders of the boiling noodle, but I want to show you something first that I'm really excited about. I just got something new and I'm dropping little bits of noodle on the floor, so you'll have to forgive me with my trespass. But there's our 5 minutes. So look at that. Do you see it over my shoulder? I don't know what it is. I took a picture of it, and I did find it on Craigslist. Somebody had one. And they're calling it an ornate pot. It is that. I don't know if you can see the lid. Not from there. Here, we'll just go like this. So it's like concave. And it's clawfoot. Oh, weird. The inside of it is almost like it's velvet. I didn't realize that. It is actually like has velvet on the inside. Here's the top. I really dig the top. I think it's wood. It could be some kind of weird clay ceramic form. And then there's the top of it. But the inside is like, yeah, it's like it's felted. That is weird. I didn't realize that. It's like, the more I mess around with this thing and check it out, the more fascinated by it I get. But it's kind of big, and I showed a picture of it to my wife yesterday because I saw it at the thrift store. And she was like, "You don't need that. No, don't get that." And I'm like, but I really want to get it. It's so weird. And so I did. I mean, my birthday's in 2 days. I'm gonna get something weird. So I got something weird. And yeah. So I got something weird, and I wanted to share it with you, kind people. But yeah, I mean, just look at this thing, man. Wow. Look at it. It's just so freaking weird. Yeah, I was like trying to figure out, well, what would you use this thing for? And I was thinking about it. I got a lot of different reactions from it. I went and I got some swag at the voting place because today's the primary election day for Washington State. Yeah. And I went in there. I got some swag. I got some pins and stickers. Like, here's a Korean I voted sticker. Here's a regular style English I voted sticker. Here's a Chinese I voted sticker. That's my preferred one. And then there's these, and I think this is Romanian? I don't know. I don't think it's Russian. That looks like that's the same one. Yeah, it looks like I got a bunch of the same one. And then there's this one. Coding. I really have no idea. Somali. Oh, it says at the bottom, Somali. And I wonder what this one says. Russian Ukrainian. That's cool. Okay. It's kind of funny because on the red ones, I'm guessing that's denoting party affiliation. On the red ones, it's like, I don't know, are Somalians voting Republican? I don't know. I don't know. I have a hard time thinking that Ukrainian folks here would be voting Republican. Oh, there's the. Oh yeah, so here's your boiling time. Not much left, but I'll let you have at least a little. So with this stuff, yeah, you gotta make sure to keep it separate because it doesn't want to be separate. And I don't know, it's really trying to stick to the bottom of the pot, and that's not friendly. But yeah, it is crappy weather outside. I feel kind of crappy because I did a lot of walking yesterday. I got new shoes. My wife was kind enough to get me really nice new shoes, and I'm really stoked on that. But I didn't put any insoles in them, so I'm kind of like thinking maybe that's the issue. And I put my old insoles, which are all jacked up, but I put them in, and it's not as bad, but just kind of beat. I did over 10 miles yesterday for the first time in a little while. And today I definitely did not do that much. But I probably will go back out again, because that is my way. So Biang is like a really, really, really wide noodle. I think it's also, I don't know, I want to say it's also referred to as belt noodle, but I'm not sure. There's like a couple weird idiosyncrasies about these wide Chinese noodles. But yeah, big day, voting day. We already voted. All the ballots in Washington State are mailed, unless you aren't registered, and then you can go to your polling place, and then they'll set you all up and let you vote, and then from then on, you'll get them in the mail. I think it's a lot easier. I think ease of voting is a good thing. Wow, this stuff is like really... Maybe it was supposed to steep. I'm not sure. There's no instructions on this as far as I could see. But it smells good. I will give it that. It does have the scent of yum. So I like it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's very sticky, very goopy. It should be like absolutely delightful. That's what I've experienced with Biang. Cheers. And I will say that my past experience with Biang has been more enjoyable than that. Very tinny, very very, I don't know, I'm not super keen on this kind of flavor. Fascinated but not in love with it. Not a, yeah. When this review comes out, I'm not going to be giving it like a lot of stars. And it has nothing to do with the texture, it's just the flavor. It's got a heat to it. It's just not. It's missing something, and I don't know what that is, but it ain't got what I want. So I will just do a little bit of garnish on it. Some sesame seed. Doesn't really need crushed red pepper. Scallion. I'm almost thinking that's good, and I think I'm going to say that's good and do it at that. So let's let Rotato do its thing, and yeah, cool. All right, well that was fun. The next one we're going to do is a Vietnamese variety. This is an artificial chicken flavor from Vietnam. So that will be what you see next. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.